What up, gang? We back with another one of them videos today, man. What we got going on today in the garage? We have to take the Camaro to GM so they can actually do this tune thing right here. So we gotta take it to GM, man, so they can get it right. If y'all haven't, man, hit that like and subscribe button, man. Two things in this world that don't cost. One, it don't cost nothing to be yourself. And two, it don't cost nothing to hit that subscribe button. God, man. All right, we in the Camaro. Let's go and get this thing popping. I always love the sound of that thing, man.
Pull in line and stay in your vehicle and they'll come to you.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. So I guess that's how they do it here, man. So we're gonna pull in this line. They're gonna come to us. GM Miles, Chevrolet dealership. They got some clean stuff out here, man.
What are you in today for, hon?
I put a cold air intake in on here, and they have to do a tune and I guess upgrade the software, and then they was gonna do a wheel alignment.
Okay.
And then I actually, this morning, got some squeaking in my steering wheel.
You did what?
There's some squeaking in my steering wheel.
Okay.
And I don't know what
you
that
made
is.
an appointment?
I did.
Okay, because I think I talked with you.
You did? Oh, okay.
Give me 1 second.
All right, yeah.
Let's get you. Okay.
All right, cool. So we done finally made it in here to the GM spot, man. Service center. So, we finna go and get this thing serviced, man. It's gonna go.
What's up, boss, man?
What's going on, boss?
All right, so you getting your tune for your cold air intake?
Yeah.
All right. You good?
All right, cool.
I'm about to say, I got a blue one. It's across the street. I did the same thing to mine.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what's up. When you first did it, was it acting funny a little bit when you drove it? When you put the cold air
Well,
intake?
when I got it, they installed it here.
Right.
And they tuned it
Right.
here, too. So, but you can tell the difference. You're going to hear it, too. So,
Right.
Your exhaust is going to be, it's going to be a deeper tone, but it's going to open it up.
Right, right. So we got my man here. He just gave me some confidence. You got a YouTube or something, man? How they follow you, man?
I don't have no YouTube, but
You got an
Instagram.
IG?
Yeah, I got an IG, Noel Road 1, and then my car page is one slow LE.
Okay, cool. Say it
Key
again.
in the car, right?
Yeah, I actually got it in my pocket right here. All right, cool.
No, I'm trying to make
You
sure I
want
ain't
to be in the video?
I was trying not to be in the video.
You don't want to be in the video, guy.
You have to cut that
I was like, oh, dang.
was like,
He in there. He caught now. He in there. So yeah,
Y'all,
man, we in there.
I'm
man,
a
helping
wanted
me
man.
out.
This technology I got people that
on the
want,
radar.
they want this technology. This technology that I got implanted.
Yeah, so we in the service center, man, and they finna get the Chevy Camaro right, man.
He the perfect dude I need.
You want to walk around? I'll go ahead and get everything started. I'll
Okay.
get them to pull the order, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, cool. So my man finna get me right in here. All right, now, boss. Yes, sir. We got good people here in the dealership, man. We got the baby right here. And they supposed to be doing a wheel alignment too for me, boss.
You want to do alignment too?
Yeah, it pulled to the right a little bit, but I told her on the phone that I needed alignment. Actually, see the splitters we just put on a little better now. And the splitters look real good on the car, man. They look really good. You didn't see the other side before, but we got the other side here, man. How long do it normally take?
Give me about 2 hours.
2 hours? Okay.
Because he has to call GM. They have to send the tune
Okay.
specifically for your car.
Okay.
And then I have to give it to another guy. He's going to update it and everything. It's going to go to 2 different people.
Taylor,
Yeah,
it's a little process.
So yeah, they got to call GM. Give them a couple hours. We'll be back. We'll be running, man. All right. I'll see you in a couple hours, man. Come pick it up, man. All right, gang. So, all right, now, you know what? Yes, sir. So, yeah, we dropping my car off They got one right here, man. This boy nasty too. Yes, this the one you think I should get? It just look like a real cockpit of Chanel. But yeah, this thing right. Here, back at CHEVY. We here back at CHEVY at the service center park. Trying to find somewhere I can park real quick. Done the
I
Camaro.
got you done, yeah, man.
Okay, cool.
You good to go. Just give them a few seconds to get your totals and your paperwork.
Okay, cool.
We'll get you running.
Yes, sir. What's up, boss? All right. Okay. All right, we're gonna go check the car out.
Check out it. Get your rolling.
So we gotta check out. I gotta pay that money.
This is the one I had gave you with this.
It was? I felt it in the wheel. So it was off with the red man. That's where it's off at.
And Grant, so it's off on camber and toe. So you was pulling, you said to the right.
Pulling right. Yeah.
You was pulling mostly to the right.
Yeah.
Fixed it. So,
Cool. My man said he got me situated. He told me he'd give me an 8. So now we just gotta pay the people. She gave me right here.
And say this is you can copy of this as well. This would be the programming,
Okay.
the intake, and that's gonna be 153 and that.
Okay, cool.
And then it's gonna for these from you. Hey,
What?
hey,
What else you need? Talk to me nice. Huh?
that Visa or MasterCard.
Okay. Talk to me nice. It don't stop. Let's pick a card.
Let me speak on the thing now.
Ain't no paper shortages over here. You
Yeah,
hear
put
me?
it over here. A little short over here though.
No paper shortages at Atlanta dancing, man. None at all. She thought she got me. That's what it say though. No American Express. What's your name? Huh? What's your name?
Miranda.
Okay, Miss Brandon, right?
Miranda.
Miranda. Come see her at okay. Come see her at Chevy. She gonna take care of you. She gonna take all your money. She gonna take all your money. All right. Have a good. Yeah, he did. He did. All right. Y'all have a good one now.
Have a good one.
All right. Cool. So where we at with it? Yeah. She gave me the key. So we heading up out this thing, gang. Cool, cool. We put it on sport mode, see what we sounding like. She sound a little louder. You said it too.
it's gonna be deeper. Yeah.
Deeper. So I guess I'm gonna have to drive it. and
Joshua,
kinda-
come see us, John Miles Chevrolet and Conyers.
Yes,
We're gonna
sir.
take
Yes,
care of
sir. Make sure you come see him, man. He said he got a blue Camaro too himself. So we actually, you across the street?
it. Yeah, I'm about to say.
Let's go check you out. This is sick. Oh, we got the carbon fiber joint on here. With the matte black hood. Shit. This shit is nice.
6 speed.
This shit nice. Oh yeah. We got the same air intake on here. Yes, sir. You said this is 16?
It's 18.
18?
Yeah, it's a manual.
Oh, manual.
Yeah, it's a 1LE, SS 1LE. So it comes with splitter, side skirts, 6-piston Brembo brakes.
And they got the 1LE in there. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. It's that joint right here. 1LE. That's actually the little brother there. This the big brother. That's the little brother.
And it's crazy because it's a 1SS 1LE. You got a 2SS, but it's still the 1LE is still tops.
Top.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
They come with a lot of features that the 2SS doesn't have.
Right.
So, but
Yeah, man. He got a dope car. Let's walk around the black tents. I'm really feeling that. With the red calibers. Yes, sir. She sounded good. That's what's up, man. So we had to check my boy out. Chevy gang or no gang, man. You know how we do it, man.
Always. We
So
definitely
yeah,
gonna
man.
link up.
Yes, sir. We got a link. If y'all haven't, man, hit like and subscribe on this video.
For sure.
There's two things in this world don't cost. One is it don't cost nothing to be yourself, and two, it don't cost nothing for you to hit that subscribe button, man. Let's go, gang.
Click it, man.
Man, we finna bury this bitch. See what she do. Ready? Yeah, she hit. She ain't wanna give up. She ain't wanna give up. I'm feeling good about this now. Now I can tell y'all if that $500 was worth it. After the tune, yes. I know I said yes before, but I didn't really drive the car like that. So I'm actually driving it now, and I feel the power. The power is back in it. So, it was worth it. And she responded. Every time I goddamn put my foot on that gas.